Hello, mon frère. Welcome to another edition of Excel Highway channel. Today, I want to speak with you about combo chart. As you can see, combo chart is a very useful chart you need to master if you want to be an Excel master, just like me. So the combo chart actually helps you pass information when you have more than one access. This is where it is very powerful. So as you can see in this example, I have sales data of certain items from the grocery on the average price per unit, dollars. And the chart is very helpful for us to see what is the total volume, but also the price per unit. Okay, this is how it looks. Now I want to show you how you can do it by yourselves. So let me just copy a chart over here and we'll make it from scratch. Oh, deleted it. So once I have the data, I select the table, insert. I go to recommended charts, automatically to all charts and to combo. In combo, I have selected for the average price line with markers, flagged it with secondary axis, and both of the sales in clustered column. Clicked OK, and I got this chart. Alright, what I usually like to do is format the line chart and go to here, remove the line, and for the marker I change it a bit, increase it, maybe change the shape, whatever you want, like a triangle or a diamond, whatever you prefer, my friends. Okay, I can even change the color. This is the color of the board now. Held. So the color of the fill. That's nice. And I can also add the data label. And again, I like to move it to the top. That way it looks very professional. And of course, the title, you can have it as sales and sales versus average price, for example, per item. Oui, this looks very professional. I can change the colors, of course, change them maybe to green or I don't know, blue, and there you have it. This is a combo chart, very nice, very easy to do. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe so I can keep posting videos like this. Thank you very much.